ng tao.
Because he came unto his own, and his own received him not.
Dahil lang sa bumaba siya, lumapit siya sa kanyang mga tao, ngunit hindi siya tinanggap.
It even confused the chief leaders of the Israelites who Jesus really was.
At kahit na yung mga matataas na tungkulin ng Israelites ay hindi siya tinanggap.
But they knew that this man had an authority and a power that was not given from men, but was given from God.
At ngunit alam nila na itong tao na ito ay nabigyan ng kapangyarihan at itong kapangyarihan ay nanggagaling sa Diyos na hindi tao.
Because when Jesus spoke, things started happening.
Sapagkat kung si Jesus ay nag-umpisa magsalita, maraming mga kababalagan na nangyari.
When he went to people that were possessed of the devil, he said, "Come out from among them. Come out."
At kung siya ay nilalapitan niya yung mga tao na siyang nabibihag na espiritu ng kaaway, ay sila ay napapalaya.
When the blind men came to Jesus, he opened the eyes of the blind.
At nung ang isang tulad ay lumapit kay Jesus, ay pinagaling niya na siya'y nakakita.
Same thing with the leopards when they came to Jesus. The Lord cleansed the leopards.
Ganyan din po yung isang may sakit na leper na nung lumapit kay Jesus ay pinagaling niya.
And the Lord also raised the dead.